Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our review class. This class is a review for units 12 and 13. Okay, so we're going to have a lot of practice in this class. So I'm going to give you instructions as we go along, okay? All right, so in the first part of this class, we're going to translate some sentences. So I'm going to give you some sentences in Portuguese and you're going to translate them into English. Só para ter certeza que você entendeu certinho, tá? Eu vou dar algumas sentenças em português para você e você vai traduzi-las, tá? Na sua mente, falando. Você precisa falar, tem que articular, tá? A minha dica para você é, eu vou falar sentença em português, você pode dar uma pausada no vídeo, you can pause the video, pausa o vídeo, e aí você faz a tradução da frase, fala ela, né, em inglês, e aí depois você vai lá e toca de novo, ok? Porque aí eu vou dar a resposta para você logo em seguida. Depois que eu der a resposta para você, você repete novamente, tá? Por exemplo, eu vou dar um exemplo aqui para você. Mary gosta de muitas comidas. Aí você pausa o vídeo e fala, Mary likes many foods. Ou Mary likes a lot of foods, tá? Que é a mesma coisa. E aí você faz lá a tradução, depois disso eu vou falar a frase para você. Mary likes a lot of foods. E você repete novamente, ok? Vamos lá então. Mary gosta de muitas comidas, mas ela não gosta de peixe. Mary likes a lot of foods, but she doesn't like fish. Ela nunca come peixe. She never eats fish. Mary come muitas frutas, legumes e grãos. Mary eats a lot of fruit, vegetables and grains. Às vezes, Mary come carne. Sometimes, Mary eats meat. Lembre-se que você pode usar o verbo to have ao invés do verbo to eat. Então, nesse caso, você pode falar Sometimes Mary eats meat or sometimes Mary has meat. Steve não come derivados do leite. Steve doesn't have dairy. Steve nunca come queijo, leite ou iogurte. Steve never eats cheese, milk or yogurt. Steve frequentemente é boa, né? Steve frequentemente come ovos para o café da manhã. Steven often has eggs for breakfast. Martha quase nunca come Martha quase nunca come comidas doces. Martha hardly ever has sweet foods. Martha nunca come sobremesas como bolo ou biscoitos. Martha never eats desserts like cake or cookies. Martha gosta de carne de porco. Martha likes pork. Okay, now for the second part. For the second part, I am going to give you an affirmative sentence and you are going to make a negative sentence, okay? For example, I like Spanish. And then you say, você fala, I don't like Spanish, okay? Negative. So let's go. I like to have bread. I don't like to have bread. I like to have bread with cheese. I don't like to have bread with cheese. I like to have bread with butter. I don't like to have bread with butter. I want to have rice. I don't want to have rice. I want to have rice and beans. I don't want to have rice and beans. I want to have rice and beef. I don't want to have rice and beef. I want to have soup for lunch. I don't want to have soup for lunch. I like hot dogs. I don't like hot dogs. I like hot dogs with soda. I don't like hot dogs with soda. I like sweets. I don't like sweets. I need to buy some peanuts. I don't need to buy any peanuts. Remember, when you have some in an affirmative sentence, when you make this sentence negative, you have to use any. Any for negative sentences and questions, some for affirmative sentences, okay? I need to eat healthy food. I don't need to eat healthy food. Ok, remember, você pode repetir, você pode voltar o vídeo e fazer quantas vezes necessárias. É muito importante você repetir essas frases muitas vezes, porque você precisa exercitar a fala, ok? You need to practice speaking. Practice speaking. Okay, now for the third part of our class. Now use she instead of I. Eu vou dar para você uma sentença usando I, eu, e você vai substituir o eu pelo she. Observe que você vai ter que usar o S do verbo, que nós estamos falando de he, she, it, terceira pessoa, nós vamos ter o S do verbo, ok? So, for example, if I say, I study English. Aí você fala, she studies English. Ok? Então, eu estudo inglês, ela estuda inglês. Você vai usar ela em todas as frases que eu der. Ok? Vamos lá. Let's go. I like to have bread. She likes to have bread. I like to have bread with cheese. She likes to have bread with cheese. I like to have bread with butter. She likes to have bread with butter. I want to have rice. She wants to have rice. I want to have rice and beans. She wants to have rice and beans. I want to have rice and beef. She wants to have rice and beef. I want to have soup for lunch. She wants to have soup for lunch. I like hot dogs. She likes hot dogs. I like hot dogs with soda. She likes hot dogs with soda. I like sweets. She likes sweets. I need to buy some peanuts. She needs to buy some peanuts. I need to eat healthy foods. She needs to eat healthy foods. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead. Now, you're going to make questions. Agora você vai fazer questions, ok? Então, eu vou dar um affirmative sentence para você. I'm going to give you an affirmative sentence. E você vai transformar esse affirmative sentence num question. Lembre-se de sempre pausar o vídeo para você ter um tempinho para você pensar, ok? E assim que eu der a resposta para você em inglês, você vai repetir ela também, ok? Quanto mais você repetir, mais você vai aprender. Let's go. You need some nuts. Do you need any nuts? Lembre, mais uma vez eu vou repetir. Quando eu usei aqui, ó, you need some nuts. Some for affirmative sentences. Um pouco de, alguns, algumas. Quando nós temos o question, você vai usar any. So, aqui, you need some nuts. Affirmative, né? You need some nuts. Agora o question. Do you need any nuts? Okay, let's go. We need to buy some chicken. Do we need to buy any chicken? You have some cheese. Do you have any cheese? She likes milk. Does she like milk? She likes black coffee. Does she like black coffee? They need some tomatoes. Do they need any tomatoes? Steve starts work at 8. Does Steve start work at 8? He wants to have breakfast now. Does he want to have breakfast now? You need to study more. Do you need to study more? Mary goes downtown every day. Does Mary go downtown every day? Lembre-se também de um outro detalhe. Quando nós fazemos esses questions com does no início, o S que estava no verbo, só lembrando você, né? O S que estava no verbo no affirmative sentence passa para o does. Né? Só relembrando aqui, ó, por exemplo, né? She likes milk. Ela gosta de leite. She likes milk. Quando nós fazemos o question, fica does she like milk? Então, o S fica no does. E aí a gente não fala does she likes milk, ok? Does she like milk? Ok, very well. Now, repeat the sentences. Somente repita, ok? Repita comigo, vamos lá. Logo depois de mim, né? They have some bananas in the fridge. I don't need any blueberries. There's a pineapple on the sink. She doesn't want any tangerines for the picnic. We need some onions and bell peppers for the soup. He needs some salt and pepper for the salad. There are some chips and popcorn in the cupboards. I want some salad dressing on my salad. I don't want any broccoli and cabbage for dinner. Chicken salad with celery is so good. All right. Now you're going to translate these sentences into English using how about. Repeat, how about. Remember, how about is que tal, right? Quando a gente dá uma suggestion, uma sugestão, ok? So, for example, que tal frango para o jantar? How about chicken for dinner? Ok? Então, sempre com how about, how about. Let's go. Que tal frango para o jantar? How about chicken for dinner? Que tal pipoca para o filme? How about some popcorn for the movie? Que tal salada de fruta para a sobremesa? How about some fruit salad for dessert? Que tal maionese para o almoço? How about some potato salad for lunch? Que tal pizza para o almoço? How about some pizza for lunch? Que tal sopa de batata para o jantar? How about some potato soup for dinner? Que tal um pouco de cebolinhas verdes? How about some green onions? Que tal molho de salada na sua salada? How about some salad dressing on your salad? Que tal alface no seu hambúrguer? How about some lettuce on your burger? Que tal melancia fresca? How about some fresh watermelon? All right. Let's go. And this is the last part. Essa é a última parte. Lembre que você pode repetir quantas vezes você achar necessário, até você desenvolver, ficar confortável, né, naquilo que você está falando, quando as palavras fluírem da sua boca, tá? Let's go. Answer the questions using short answers with yes and no. Nós estudamos os short answers, que são as respostas curtas, né? Lembre-se que nós usamos verbos auxiliares para isso. Quando nós iniciamos, por exemplo, um question com do, o seu short answer vai ter do ou vai ter don't, dependendo se for affirmative or negative, né? Se você iniciar o seu question com does, o seu short answer vai ter does também, ou doesn't se for negative, ok? For example, né? Do they have any bananas in the fridge? Eles têm bananas na geladeira? Aí você fala, yes, they do, or no, they don't. Na verdade, você vai falar os dois, tá? Os dois. Yes, they do, e aí logo, no, they don't, ok? Então, vamos lá. Do you need any blueberries? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Is there a pineapple on the sink? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Does she want any tangerines for the picnic? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Do we need any onions for the soup? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Does he need any salt and pepper for the salad? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Are there any chips and popcorn in the cupboards? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Do you want any salad dressing on your salad? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like broccoli and cabbage for dinner? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Is chicken salad with celery good? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Okay, so this was our review class for units 12 and 13. Remember, if you have any questions, you can reach me on Instagram. I always have, Instagram there available for you to take a look and for you to improve your vocabulary and for you to ask me any questions. All right? Thanks for watching. I will see you next class.